Alright, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're going to talk about a serious severe weather issue that is coming up for the day on Sunday. We have a marginal risk tomorrow, for at least right now, may go to a slight risk, parts of Virginia, but we're talking about a much higher risk for the day on Sunday. As you're going to see, we're going to go through here, and Saturday you can see some clearing up through the afternoon, not so bad. You get some showers and thunderstorms now, right around the 2-3 o'clock range, starting to pop up and starting to bubble up. You may turn into some isolated supercells you see as far as southern Virginia, heading towards the Roanoke area. This continues to fire up and get stronger as the day goes on. And these are going to be discrete, possibly supercells or multi-cell storms, and these will continue, but we're going to watch for is really going to be Sunday. At 8 p.m. you see stuff moving a little further to the east. You have some stuff back to West Virginia, and that's going to be a lot of power starting for Sunday, and it's going to get worse and worse as Sunday starts off. As you see, you get started with supercells developing throughout the midday time frame, and we get pretty big storms popping Roanoke, Lynchburg, and east. And then we're going to start seeing something linear take shape, and that's going to be explosive when we're talking about towards 6 or 7 o'clock. You got a line, second line, and it's just going to continue to be unstable, and showers and thunderstorms, severe, tornadic, possibly, and damaging winds being the main issue. As you see, Cape will not be an issue here. We're talking about 3,000 Cape, easily in the Roanoke Valley, so these storms will be explosive when they do develop on Sunday. So, tomorrow through Sunday, Sundays especially, major Cape, major issues. Then we're going to talk holistically. A lot of rotation in the atmosphere. Roanoke, Lynchburg, Richmond, going up to D.C., going up to southern New Jersey as this continues. This is your EHI, or 3-meter helicity. And as you see, very strong dynamic rotating cells for the day on Sunday. So always like showing surface wind. What's the surface look like? Southeast wind back. That's always an issue here. You see south and southeast winds here in Virginia all the way up through Delaware Valley. So that's an issue. It's another issue that we're going to have to deal with. Now let's go to the upper level. At the same time, we have west and southwest winds. So they're rotating with height. So this is a strong jet streak onto the area. A lot of mixing, a lot of rotation, dew points in the 60s, going towards 70. Lots of things going for Sunday. So let's take a look at what Storm Prediction Center has out. For the day on Saturday, this may only be an afternoon issue. You can see we do have a chance here. Roanoke, all Virginia pretty much, except for the eastern coast, back through Kentucky. That's going to be a severe weather threat, marginal severe, may go up to a slight risk. But the big day, and I'm going to tell you straight up, the big day is Sunday. And we're going to show you this, and this may get updated overnight, and then we'll have a new map for you tomorrow. But man, I'm telling you enough. The enhanced storms from Philadelphia south towards Lynchburg, it's backing towards Roanoke, so we got to watch that. On the new thing, we may actually have this, based on looking at the models, backing towards Roanoke. Slight risk is definitely there. So, what do we have issues with? Damaging winds being a huge issue. Large damaging hail, and tornadoes. They are your threats. Tornadoes will not be ruled out here. As you see, we have major issues coming for Sunday, and it'll mainly be after the noon time hour on Sunday. So please, make your preparations now if you live anywhere from the Philadelphia, Delaware Valley, into the Roanoke Valley, Richmond, D.C., Baltimore, down into parts of Raleigh. Major severe weather looks like possibly Outbreak by the time we get into the day on Sunday. We are watching the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Bonnie going east out of the way from North Carolina, but we have this other system here in the Yucatan. Will come up, probably hit Florida as Charlie, and then head out to sea. If this does stay in further, we would have more issues with coastal issues. But right now, it looks like it's will be a western Florida issue, and it's a tropical system, a landfalling one at that. So we'll keep you updated and have another update again tomorrow evening. Meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.